Currently, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge and the Nansha Bridge, such as Hutong-Yangtze River Railroad Bridge, Pingnang Third Bridge, a batch of super major bridges with internationally advanced standards, has been completed. New bridge types, materials, and techniques widely applied in bridge construction. Test and inspection of these bridges and culverts during construction monitoring. Overall performance test of bridge condition and quality control for various bridge and culvert construction. Test detection and bridge inspection. Our test detection technicians from the Highway Department must be completed. A glorious and arduous task. In this lesson, let us learn together content and basis of bridge engineering test and inspection. Contents of bridge engineering test and inspection. Contents of bridge engineering test and inspection, depending on the bridge's location, varies with structural form and materials used, should be based on the specific conditions of the constructed bridge. Select test and inspection items according to relevant standards and specifications. Conduct test detection. General routine test detection mainly includes test detection during construction preparation phase, test detection during construction process, test detection after construction completion, and test detection for in-service bridges. First, let's learn about test detection during construction preparation phase. Bridge location staking survey, cement performance test, backfill course and fine aggregate test for concrete, concrete mix ratio test, masonry material performance test, steel raw material test, steel structure connection performance test, pre-stressed anchor, clamp and coupler tests, backfill compaction standard test, other finished or semi-finished product test detection. Next, let us further understand the relevant content of test detection. Foundation bearing capacity test and inspection. Foundation position, dimension, and elevation inspection. Rebar position, size, and elevation inspection. Rebar processing inspection. Concrete strength sampling test. Mortar strength sampling test. Pile foundation inspection. Pier and abutment position, dimension, and elevation inspection. Superstructure component position and dimension inspection. Prefabricated component tensioning, transportation, and installation strength control test. Pre-stress tensioning control inspection. Superstructure elevation, deformation, internal force, and stress monitoring of bridges. Support internal force, deformation, and stability monitoring. Steel structure connection processing inspection. Steel component protective coating inspection. After construction is completed, we need to conduct the following test detections. Bridge overall inspection. Bridge load test. Bridge service performance monitoring. Then, for in-service bridges, what test inspections should we conduct? Bridge geometric parameter measurement. Bridge structure, dead load variation investigation. Bridge structural component material strength inspection and evaluation. Rebar corrosion potential inspection in concrete. Chloride ion content measurement in concrete. Concrete carbonation condition inspection. Concrete resistivity inspection. Rebar distribution investigation in concrete structures. Bridge structure inherent modal parameter measurement. Cable structure cable force measurement. Bridge pier and foundation displacement investigation. A foundation and base inspection. Finally, do you know about bridge engineering tests? What are the bases for detection? Bridge engineering test and inspection should follow those promulgated by the State and Ministry of Transport. Relevant highway engineering laws technical standards. conducted based on design or construction standards and material testing regulations. For certain new structures and bridges employing new materials or processes, relevant highway engineering specifications and regulations, when there are no relevant provisions, can reference and implement standards from foreign or other domestic industries. Relevant provisions of standards and specifications. Our country's structural engineering standards and specifications can be divided into 4 levels. The first level is comprehensive basic standards, such as the multiplied by Unified Standard for Reliability Design of Engineering Structures multiplied by guides the formulation of professional basic standards. National Unified Standard. The second level is professional basic standards, such as the Technical Standards for Highway Engineering, guides professional general standards, and Industry Unified Standards for professional special standards. The third level is professional general standards, such as the general specifications for design of highway bridges and culverts. The fourth level is professional special standards, such as the technical specification for pile testing and highway engineering. In this lesson, we mainly studied content and basis of bridge engineering test and inspection. Through the learning in this lesson, hope you will continue to strengthen basic knowledge of bridge engineering test and inspection, fully practice professional ethics, strive to promote the craftsman spirit, diligently perform bridge test detection work, promote our country's bridge construction level, ensure bridge structure safety,